nature the biggest energy booster, especially for me. It's so beautiful to just be in nature, just be around sounds of nature and connect with your soul, connect with your talents, with your ambitions, just being quiet with yourself. It's just gorgeous. It definitely reduces your stress, your anger. I think it's a great way to just escape sometimes when you just don't want to get into difficult conversations, even with yourself, or you're exhausted from work. Just take a walk in nature, and it's gorgeous. I think you just start finding something new that starts coming up, and yeah, it's important to be connected to the source of the universe. It's gorgeous. The sunshine, the sound of the toads. Can you hear that? I love it.